Hurricane Headquarters, sponsored by Entergy.
12 News is your hurricane headquarters. Today marks the end of the 2024 hurricane season, and now federal agencies are reflecting on the past year and how to better prepare for the future. The Small Business Administration helped businesses impacted by disasters like Hurricane Beryl. The agency and other federal programs say they faced an above-average hurricane season, drawing more resources than usual. Francisco Sanchez, the Associate Administrator for the SBA, says the agency stepped up this season, especially in Texas, and hopes that work continues to move forward.
So SBA was able to step up and help Texas, $393 million in the hands of disaster survivors. So making sure that we're helping ensure that businesses not only are recovering, but when we're doing this, making sure that they are more resilient, better prepared for the storms ahead.
Sanchez said he hopes the next White House administration continues to invest in funding for the SBA so it can help continue to assist small businesses during more active disaster seasons.